From your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
We've got record warm weather through tomorrow afternoon, and the main rain event still set for late tomorrow afternoon and Tuesday night. But there's still more rain on the way for later in the week and especially the upcoming weekend. But if you don't mind the warmth, it was a pretty nice day. A lot of cloud cover, but some sun and not much rain. Much of the area came in about 75 to 80, even a few 81s down to the southeast. But Fairfield was cooler. You did have a little rain up there, and that'll be the same case tomorrow with the northwest corner of the tri-state a bit cooler than the rest. But live Doppler radar is dry. That should pretty much be the case until later tomorrow afternoon when that band of showers with a few thunder showers begins to move in from the west. But you can see how close heavy rain was over the last 24 hours getting into southwestern Illinois. Amounts over 2 inches there to the west of I-57. And some of that rain did get into Wayne County. Fairfield picked up a little over 1/10 of an inch, even heavier amounts up to 1 inch there in Flora, Illinois. But most of that rain just missing the tri-state. But here's how the election day weather is going to play out tomorrow. And if you don't want to deal with the rain, morning, early afternoon at 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. I should say, still some sunshine, and 71 will be dry at the noon hour up to 78 degrees. And even at 3 p.m. I think much of the area will still be dry. Maybe the far western portions of the tri-state will begin to see some rain, but will be overcast, 77, and very windy. But between about 4 and 5 in the afternoon, looks like the rain will be getting into the metro. So by 6 p.m. should have a good deal of rain in the area, but it will still be warm with temperatures around 70 degrees. There's a live view from downtown Evansville here at the almost the 11 o'clock hour, about 10:47 under a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Still 71 degrees. South wind now picking up at 14 miles per hour. Most of the area right around 70. Just forecasting low to mid 60s overnight. The record warm low for tomorrow morning is 63. Forecasting 65. So it should be our second record overnight warm low that we've had here in the last 2 days. Meanwhile, severe weather continuing to our southwest. Tornado watch northeast Texas into the Arklatex area here. They did have some tornadoes earlier today in the afternoon hours a bit farther to the north. But the good news for us is that all this is going to be weakened. We will get the rain, but no severe weather to worry about. So some good news there. There's rain and storms up to about the St. Louis area now. It's all going to weaken to our west overnight. So Future Tracker just keeping us partly to mostly cloudy. We have some sunshine tomorrow morning. And as I mentioned, we should be dry through early afternoon. No issues here at the noon hour, but by 4 p.m., the leading edge of the rain up to about the Wabash River, lower Ohio River. Timing hasn't changed all that much. There could be a little thunder and lightning on the leading edge here, but not expecting, again, anything to worry about in terms of storms. Winds, though, could be gusting up to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon, but at 4 p.m., you can see much of Indiana and Kentucky still dry. That will change between 4 and, say, 6 p.m. as that rain continues to push eastward. And there are your highs tomorrow. The record for Evansville, 78. I'm forecasting 79. Much of the area, much like today, 75 to 80 degrees. But the rain overspreads most of the area by 8 p.m., and that will continue through the evening hours. This will be the heaviest, and then we'll see that rain ending by daybreak on Wednesday. But the front is going to stall down here to our south, so it's still kind of a cloudy day across our southern counties. We'll get a mix of sun and clouds here in the metro by Wednesday afternoon, and even more sun to the north with low 70s over our northern counties, upper 60s down to the south. And then a wave is going to ride up from the south later Wednesday night into Thursday, bringing at least some scattered rain into the area. Our model keeps much of it southeast of Evansville. Other guidance is much farther north, so there's some uncertainty in terms of how much of this rain is going to get in here for Thursday morning, but whatever does should be dissipating, if not ending, as we head into Thursday afternoon with highs again around 70. Rainfall amounts for the big system late tomorrow look to average a ½ inch to 1.5 inches, maybe locally heavier 1.5 to 2 inch amounts, and that's some more needed rainfall. So overnight, a record warmth, 62 to 66. The clouds increase tomorrow. The showers, a few thunder showers come in from the west. Later in the afternoon, very windy and very warm, generally 75 to 80, a little cooler to the northwest. So we're weather aware for the rain late tomorrow afternoon and evening, ending by daybreak Wednesday, then some clearing. Scattered rain on Thursday morning. That should be diminishing, 68. A lot of question marks on Friday, just going with a 30% chance of rain. Some models are more aggressive with the rain, but they're all agreeing that the rain chances ramp up during the day on Saturday. Maybe a little thunder with the rain chances peaking Saturday night. And then as we head into Sunday, that rain should be ending, but temperatures still above normal for the next 7 days.
All right. Thank you, Wayne.